Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I brought another interesting topic that's about how to create a ledger set in Fusion Cloud. Ledger set, as the name itself says, it's a combination of ledgers. It's a grouping of the ledgers. Uh, Basically, you can group all those ledgers which share the same chart of account and accounting calendar under a ledger set. So the main reason for going for a ledger set is basically if you want to perform a data entry under multiple ledgers. So instead of changing the data access set in all the screens, wherever there is a ledger field, you can just change the ledger from ledger A to ledger B and then continue with your data entry instead of going to a separate screen and changing the default data access set. So now I'll show you how to create a ledger set and then also show you the screens wherein you can see the impact of this ledger set. So the prerequisites is obviously ledger should have been defined. You should have concerned general ledger role. And then as I mentioned, only the ledgers where same chart of accounts and accounting calendar, only those ledgers can be grouped under a ledger set. So you can navigate to your general accounting dashboard. Okay, so this is where you can see data access set. So basically, whenever you go to say create a journal entry screen, so here in this example I have access to Infusion Ledger 3, that is my ledger. So if I go to say create journal, if I want to enter journal entry, so here you can see in the ledger drop down I can see only Infusion Ledger. And now if I want to enter ledgers, if I want to enter say journals for say Infusion Ledger, say Canadian Ledger, so again I need to cancel this, go back to previous screen, change the ledger set from Infusion Ledger 3 to my other ledger, which is Infusion Ledger Canada, click on OK, and then come back to my normal transaction screen, which is create journal. And then now by default, the ledger should be your Canadian ledger and I can continue. So if I have a requirement to enter journals for multiple ledgers, so I need to do this repeatedly, going back to the previous screen, change the data access set, and then come back to the screen and then continue. But if I have an access to the ledger set wherein I'm grouping these two ledgers, then in the same screen, I need not go and change the data access set there. I can just come to the screen and I can continue the data entry here. It's just like in the dropdown, I will be able to see Infusion Canadian ledger as well as Infusion US ledger as well, as long as I create a ledger set and give an access of that particular ledger set to my user or my role. Okay, now let's see how to create the ledger set. So click on the drop down here, go to setup and maintenance, and then go to your global search. Global search is the easiest way to search for your task. Search for manage percentage ledger. So there will be a task by name manage ledger set. Click on this task and then click on this plus button to create the new ledger set. So give it a name. I just want to give a name as Infusion Ledger set. That's the name of my ledger set. I'll give a description of this ledger set includes both US and CA ledgers, Canadian ledgers. So as you can see, this is the header part wherein you need to specify the name of the ledger set. And here you can see the chart of accounts and calendar are mandatory. And this is where you can add the ledgers here. So let me select my chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is Infusion Ledger 3. That's my chart of accounts. And accounting calendar. And my calendar is Infusion Ledger. And click on place button. So if I click on place button, in the drop down, I should be able to see all those ledgers which has this chart of accounts and calendar. So I want to add Canadian ledger as well as the US ledger. And then I can specify a default ledger. So that means in all the screens, wherever there's a ledger, so by default, the ledger, whatever I mentioned here, will be defaulted, but in the dropdown, I should be able to change it to Canadian as well. So I just want to change the default ledger to assign the default ledger to Infusion Ledger US. So I need to specify obviously one of these two ledgers as my default ledger. Okay. Now save and close. Ledger set has been created. Now I need to assign this particular ledger set as the data access set to my user. So for that, again, I need to search for the task, manage data access set for users. Manage data access set, manage data access for users. Okay, search for my user SCM student 2. And click on place. SCM student 2, and the role is general accountant, and the security context is data access set, and in the security context value I should be able to select my ledger set. So click on search, and my ledger set is Infusion ledger set. Save and close. Let me search. Oh, sorry, I should be doing this. Users with the data access set. I should be able to search that now. Yeah, Infusion ledger set. Okay, done. Now my user has the access to the Infusion ledger set. Now if I go to any data entry screen, especially the GL data entry screen, in the dropdown I should be able to see both the ledgers. And as I have mentioned, Infusion ledger US as my default ledger, so that should be defaulted. Okay, go to the home screen. You can navigate from here, or you can directly check here. Go to my general accounting dashboard. Okay, let me select my data access set, which is Infusion. Where is the data access set? Yep, Infusion ledger set. Select this. Okay, now go to any screen, maybe say create journal. So you can see in the ledger screen, I can see in the drop down Infusion ledger Canadian and Infusion ledger US. So I'll be able to enter the journals for both the Canadian ledger as well as US ledger without going back to the previous screen and changing the data access set. Similarly, if I go to say manage accounting periods, I'll be able to see the period statuses for both the ledgers, and in the same screen I should be able to open or close the periods for two different ledgers. Similarly, in all other data entry screens, wherever there's a ledger field in the drop down, I should be able to select both the ledgers because I have an access to this ledger set. This is how you can simplify your data entry by creating a ledger set, but the catch is basically all those ledgers which can be grouped under ledger set should share the same chart of account and calendar. If the chart of accounts and calendar are different, then unfortunately you cannot group them under the ledger set. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Financials, please do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to click on bell button in order to get the notifications for my updated videos. Thank you.